Fold one side of a paper about 2 inches. Do the same with another. Match them up with about a 1/2 inch shift. Now fold them in the middle. You'll end up with 2 envelopes once the sides are glued. I found 24 pieces of cardstock, one side in a variety of mottled colors and blank on the other. I knew if I set them aside, they'd disappear forever, so I decided to use them right away. The first thing I did was what I just described, with variations. Sometimes I made a tuck spot instead of an envelope. Sometimes I made a top-loading pocket. It wasn't until I used all of the paper that I thought, I should have recorded this. Unfortunately I didn't, because I wasn't thinking I'd end up with a journal. One edge of the paper had a dashed line, which I cut off. Instead of throwing them away, I used the thin strips to weave what you see glued onto the cover. I decided to make this video with the hope others will play around with one-sided paper in similar ways, back to back. I will undoubtedly make another and will remember to record it. I used every piece of the cardstock, that's why only these 2 pockets have cards in them, and they will probably get replaced once I decide what to do with this journal. I need to remember to put a notch there. I'm pleased I found a use for this cardstock, as well as coming up with another way to make a journal. This is the middle. I used an envelope to hide the binding, a 5-hole pamphlet stitch. Unfortunately, the cardstock cracks exposing the white core, so I will probably glue washi tape on many of the folds. Looks like I need another notch there as well. I try to be consistent. I'm very happy with the results. This will be fun to work in. Thank you for watching. Please share your thoughts in the comments.